one of the biggest mistakes people are making when they try to publish their book is they try to make money from the book. Yeah, you say, hey Nick, but we are publishing book. If we don't make money from the book, how can we make money? Well, the problem is the margin of selling book is actually tiny, right? Because you have to cover the shipping cost, you have to cover the printing cost, and also the promotion. Even though you are selling an ebook on Amazon, right? Amazon will take 50% to 70% of the revenue as their commission, right? So even though maybe you can sell it for $2, you only make $1 per sale. So it's really tiny profit from selling book. So you can say, wait, so why do we want to publish book? Because you can use book as your lead generation machine. So instead of trying to make money from selling book, we make money from the back end, from the upsells. So our book is our way to generate lead for our business. So how do we actually generate lead for our business using book, right? So there are 4 steps you can follow. The first one is you want to publish small books, right? So instead of publishing a giant masterpiece, Harry Potter, Rich Dad Poor Dad, no, you want to publish a 100 pages small book, right? So 100 pages is actually good enough because nowadays people are super busy. They buy lots of books, but most of the time they don't even finish that. So if you can publish a 100 pages book, you can bring in enough value, and also they can finish that in an afternoon, right? Then the second step is you can sell it for low price or free. Like you can give away for free, or you can say, hey, you can get it for free, or you have to pay shipping. So you want to make it a no-brainer for people to get your book, especially for your prospect to get your book, because your book is not your profit center. It's your lead generator. It's your tripwire. It's your lead magnet. We're going to use our book to generate lead for our business. So you want to make it a no-brainer to grab your book so that you can just do many things, right? Then you want to give some bonuses in your book. So on the first page and end of your book, you want to say, hey, thanks for reading my book. I have some special bonus for you. You can go to my website. Then you leave your URL here. Then you talk about what are the bonuses they are going to get. So if they go to the website, you don't give them the bonus right away. If it's a masterclass or it's an ebook, you don't let them download it right away. You want them to leave their email address so that you can send those free bonus to them, right? So after they leave their email address, guess what? Right now, you can promote all other things, right? Because right now, if they read your book, they trust you more, they want to learn more from you, and that's how you can sell, right? So the key here is upsell. So after they become our email subscriber, you can try to send them more helpful tips, and also you can try to sell them the next thing. So if you are selling a book, the next thing can be an audio version of the book or a masterclass of the book, because people, if they want to learn more about a topic, they may want to grab a masterclass, or if they want to review the book, but if they don't have time, they may want to grab the audiobook for that. So that's how you can make money. Also, you can think about what are the next problem they may have after learning this topic. Maybe if your topic is about maybe how to lose weight, they may wonder, how can I find a coach for me? So if you are a coach, you can say, hey, we do have some coaching section. You can try that. So you can try to promote your service to them after they become your subscriber. So that's how we actually make money from book. We don't make money from selling books. We make money from the upsell, from the back end, from the things we sell after they become our email subscribers. So that's how we make money from book. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.